Hi, I'm Kavita Dalhan. In this video, I'm going to talk about smart audio connector. It is called Auto 16 from the brand Portronics. So let's get started. Now this one is a very useful product. It can be used in various situations like where you want to listen to your TV audio but you don't want to disturb others, or probably in your in-flight entertainment you can use this. While playing games and all you can use this. So there are various situations. I think this solves all your audio needs, and let me take you through the features that I mentioned on this. That it comes with latest Bluetooth 5.1, so that means you can easily connect your Android, your iPhone with this. You also get a Type-C charging. It's very easy to operate. You get 10 hours of working time. Isn't that great? Plus you also get 200 mAh battery capacity. You get a lithium polymer battery again, which is long lasting. You also have this aux in and out, that is also there, and you also get a 1-year warranty on this Auto 16, the smart device that probably solves all your audio needs. Here you just have to simply connect this. You see the Portronics branding here. It's black in color and very sleek, very innovative here, I must say. So here you just have to put this into your TV or your laptop if you're playing games and all, and you want everything to be heard in the headphones that you're wearing, or while watching TV if you want the audio only to come in the headphones or earphones that you're wearing. So you just have to connect this and then you can enjoy your games, your movies, whatever you want to enjoy. Now this one, you also get this audio connector with this charging cable. So you just have to charge this. You get 10 hours of working time once you charge this. So the battery that you get is 200 mAh lithium polymer, and it's a great battery because once you charge this fully, then you get to enjoy 10 hours of working time. Here you also get this this card to register for warranty, and here you also get this user manual. So in case you're using this for the first time, then you must know what all other features, how all you can connect this. So this audio connector can be used with the TV or with your desktop, or if you're playing games and all with your PlayStation and all, your in-flight entertainment, and you also can use it with all these different things. Now because it comes with Bluetooth connectivity, so connecting this with various, whether it's TV or laptop, desktop, it becomes very simple. Now here you get 3.5 mm aux in and out, and the weight of the product is around 16.8 kgs. Now if I talk about the size that you get, it's 61.5 into 39.5 into 13.1 mm, and the material that it is made up of is ABS plus metal. All in all, this audio connector is a great device to have. You get good hours of working time and you can use this with multiple devices. This was it about this Auto 16 from the brand Portronics. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Stay tuned in for more.